Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete phone number on Snapchat. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to just go ahead to my App Store, Google Play. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to the Snapchat. You're going to just double check if you downloaded the app to check if there is newest updates on Instagram. If there is, just update it now, and if there isn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen and go ahead to my browser. And if you want to delete a phone number on your Snapchat, I'm gonna just go ahead right here. If you want to reset the phone number, go ahead to the settings gear, tab mobile number under my account section, and then tab or your mobile number into the space that says mobile number, and then tab verified, so you can verify a phone number on your Snapchat, right? So basically that's it. And make sure to follow us on social media. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.